Hello and welcome to our show India Now. I'm Ruchika Jha and today I'll be having a conversation with Mihir Ahuja. Mihir is an actor, dancer, singer, rapper, beatboxer, and a voiceover artist. He has appeared in various web series, movies, and advertisements. Born and brought up in Jamshedpur, he went to Mumbai to pursue his dreams after his school, and he got his first commercial ad break in 2018 for the Colgate ad where he worked with Virat Kohli. Since then, he appeared in numerous ads, the major ones being a five-star ad, Airtel, Fog Dio, Manevar with Amitabh Bachchan, Spotify alongside Anil Kapoor, and many more. He also appeared in Bollywood movies like Super 30, Dolly Kitty or Wo Chamakte Sitare, Ye Bollywood, and Upstarts on Netflix. He has also worked in a Hollywood movie called Cheaters. He worked alongside Imran Hashmi in a Netflix series called The Bar of Blood, Taj Mahal 1989, alongside Neeraj Kabi, Mission Over Mars, where he played Sakshi Tanwar's son, Project 9191, and Engineering Girl Season 2 with the Timeliners. He's also a theater artist and a street performer. Hi, Mihir. Welcome to our show.
Thank you so much for such a beautiful introduction. Yeah.
So, Mihir, tell us about your first commercial break that you got.
Okay, so I moved to Mumbai in the year 2017 after my school. I chose to study here for my graduation. So the main reason to be here in Mumbai was acting, and that's the only reason I submitted the forms for every college possible here in Mumbai. And I got through HR college, and I'm pursuing BCom there. So the day I reached Mumbai, I started auditioning for projects because I always wanted to do this, and yeah, so I kept on auditioning. I kept on auditioning. So for the first year, I didn't get any projects. For the second year, I didn't get any projects. In the end of second year, in the end of second year BCom, I got a call that you were selected for this Colgate Superflexi advertisement with Virat Kohli, and I couldn't believe that actually happened. You know, you always think, yeah, will you get it or not? You always doubt, ki, am I doing right? Am I doing what I should do or not? But when you get a call, like you really feel good, ki yaar, haan, मैंने कुछ किया है. I got that project. And there's a different story behind that. So I used to stay in Churchgate. There's an area here in Mumbai, Churchgate, in a hostel. So when I got a call that I'm selected for this ad, I was in my hostel. And usually when you get a call for any project, be it web series or films or commercials, the fashion designer or the costume stylist of that particular project, they call you and they ask you for your measurements, as in the clothing measurements that they'll use in the advertisement or the shoot. So they asked me for my measurements, that we need to get your dress altered for the shoot. We need your measurements. So I was so happy, and I was just rushing to the nearby gym near the hostel to get myself measured. And I met with an accident just a day before the shoot. Like this was a day before the shoot, I met with an accident. A bike came and it hit me, and I never thought that this would happen. I got my first ever project, and I mean, a bike came and just hit me. So I was unconscious. Like I hit my head to the road. I was unconscious. Like people took me to the hospital, and as I was conscious, I was crying. I was crying not because of the pain I'm bearing, but because I never wanted to miss that one opportunity, that first break. You can call it a first break, like first on-screen project. So yeah, the doctors told that your right hand is fractured, and I had few shots of cricket in the film, in the ad film, Colgate Superflexi ad. So that was really painful for me, and I told the doctor that please do something. I don't want to take my hand plastered and go to the shoot. So he gave me painkillers, and that's how I went to the shoot. And I didn't inform anyone in the shoot that I met with an accident and my hand is actually fractured. As I got done with my shoot, I went to the doctor and I got my hand plastered. So yeah, that's the story behind my first project. I thought I'll miss it. मतलब मिला और ये फिर छूट जाएगा. मुझे ऐसा लगा कि यार अभी तो मिला, and you know I'm gonna lose this project. Thankfully God saved me. वो accident इतना, you know, I actually like बच गया मैं, and yeah, I shot that ad.
Wow, that's really great, Mihir. That's really good. So, my next question to you will be: till date, which role was a challenging one for you, or the best role that you've ever done in movies or your web series?
So I'm yet to face that challenging role, which will ask me to portray myself as someone who is totally different or totally contradictory to what I am
Oh,
in person. But my role in Netflix web series Taj Mahal 1989, I would say, was one such role which, like, wherein I had to contradict the real me, and it was very different from what I am. It was a negative character related to women trafficking, and yeah, so that was the most challenging role which I've done till date, but yet to face a lot more challenges. But yeah, that shoot was really nice, and it went on for like 15, 16 days. And it was really difficult to play a negative character, a character which is very different from what you are in real life. Like, I would never deal myself into women trafficking and all, but you had to think like the character when you were between action and cut. So that was a bit difficult for me and a bit challenging for me. But I really enjoyed that zone, playing that character.
okay. Okay. How did you manage to keep yourself engaged, during this lockdown when everything was shut and people were not going out and doing anything?
So just like a week before the lockdown, I went back to my hometown. I'm in Mumbai now. Like, I came back to Mumbai because shoots have begun. They're already on flow, and yeah, so I came back to Mumbai uh, in September first week. But before the lockdown, like a week before the lockdown, Mumbai, like, cases आने start हो गए थे मुंबई में. There were like 20-25 cases here in Mumbai. So my dad just called me कि यार तू घर आ जा, and होली का time था, तो I booked my tickets and I went back home. I was lucky enough कि मैं lockdown के पहले ही घर पहुंच गया, because a lot of my friends who are staying here and were here to become actors, वो लोग यहीं रह गए, and they were here like for 3-4 months. So I was lucky enough that I went back to my family and I was staying with them. How I engaged myself. So the first initial days were pretty like boring, but हाँ, rest भी जरूरी है. पहले तो ऐसा लगा कि हाँ, like I'm back with my family, parents के साथ enjoy करना. But yeah, then I thought कि I should work on my acting, because अभी तो यार पूरा track छूट गया. मैं मुंबई से जमशेदपुर आ गया हूँ, shoots नहीं हो रहे, auditions नहीं हो रहे. So I need to keep myself on that track so that I don't feel like I'm a new guy when I come back to Mumbai, or I'm a fresher. So I made a short film with some of my director friends. Withdrawal is the name of the short film, and it's out on my IGTV. No, yeah, it's on my IGTV and also on Gangs of Cinepur. This is a page on Instagram. It's out on their IGTV channel, and we are still pitching it to some channels, maybe Disney Plus, Hotstar, or Netflix. They are planning to buy that short film. If yes, what better than that?
Wow.
So yeah, that's a film which was shot entirely during lockdown. And yeah, I also did some voiceover projects, because voiceovers ऐसे होते कि you don't need to be present physically. So मैंने घर में डबिंग सेटअप बनाया रखा था, तो मैंने वहाँ से जमशेदपुर से मैंने काफी voiceover projects किए. So yes.
That's really good. Even I like doing voiceovers.
Oh yeah, I also did, like, filter copy. You've
Yeah,
seen my videos.
yes, I've seen that.
So I was really happy that, yeah, like people started shooting from home, even like in this critical situation. People started, like, they had an idea and they started shooting from home. तो काफी shoot from homes हो रहे थे. So as like people work from home, like we were also working from home, actors were also working from home. So I shot for a few filter copy videos and few commercials from home.
That's nice. Who do you look up to, as your ideal person? Any you have, you like an actor, like you want to, copy some traits like that. Not exactly copy, but be like them.
Akshay Kumar is the one. Like I really admire his work, and he's the one. He's such a disciplined actor and such a hardworking person. So I try to follow his lifestyle, but yeah, of course, I try to. I end up not following, but yeah, Akshay Kumar is the one. I really admire his work, and I aspire to be like him someday.
That's Nice. Akshay Kumar, yeah, he's actually a very good actor.
But yeah, actually, but nowadays a lot of young actors and a lot of talented actors are ruling the industry in a way. So they are so like अगर किसी को एक्टिंग सीखनी तो वो लोग उनकी 3-4 फिल्में देख लेंगे उसमें उन्हें कितने कितने पॉइंट्स मिल जाएंगे. So Rajkumar Rao and Vicky Kaushal and all these actors and Pankaj Tripathi sir वो तो यार उनको हमेशा ही फॉलो करता हूँ. They're so natural and such beautiful actors in जो अपनी परफॉर्मेंस को एफर्टलेस बनाए थे. लगता ही नहीं कि और वो एक परफॉर्मेंस को एफर्टलेस बनाने के लिए ही बहुत ज्यादा एफर्ट लगती है. काफी होमवर्क करते हैं वो लोग. So
yeah, nice.
Yeah, I aspire to be like them.
So Mihir, tell us about your future projects. Like, where are we going to see you now in future? Where? Tell us about that.
So currently, I'm shooting for a Sony Live web series and also a film in which I'm playing a terrorist. So the Sony Live web series, you might they might release this on the platform by February 2021 or maybe March 2021, and it's a good character. So that's a different. But I'm also shooting for a film. I'll be starting next week. I'll be starting with the shoot of this film, the shoot for which is in Manali and in Gujarat. So I'll be shooting for this film, and I'm playing a terrorist in that, and it's based on the Akshardham attacks. So yeah, these are the two projects which you'll see me on, and it is very different from what I've done before or what I'll do. Like yeah, it's a very different character, and I'm really excited for that.
Wow, it's really a good news, Mihi. We would love to see you in that role, and also we really hope that you excel in this field. Thank you so much, Mihir, for talking to me and to let our audiences know about your life, your profession, and what you're doing right now. I'm really sure they must have seen you on TV, and they'll love to know more about you, and they'll watch this interview. Definitely.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mihir. Thank you so much for talking to me.
Bye.